Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how geometry can be both challenging and fascinating? Well, today, we're diving into an intriguing geometric problem that will put our skills to the test. In this problem, we have a rectangle labeled ABCD. And a right triangle labeled DBE, as shown in the figure. DE is given as 7 units. BE, as 5 units. And BC, as 8 units. Our goal is to find the area of rectangle ABCD. Before we proceed, please give this video thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try and tell us your answer in the comments section, thanks. To start solving this problem, let's focus on the rectangle. Since the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, it follows that DA is equal to BC, which is 8 units. Now, let's denote AB as X. Also, the diagonal of the rectangle, which serves as the hypotenuse of triangle DBE, will be denoted as Y. Note that DA is the length of the rectangle, and AB is the breadth. Next, let's focus on triangle DBE. Since this is a right triangle, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. According to the theorem, DB squared is equal to DE squared plus BE squared. DB is Y. DE is 7. And BE is 5. Plugging in these values, we have Y squared is equal to 7 squared, plus 5 squared. Calculating 7 squared, we get 49. And for 5 squared, we get 25. 49 plus 25 equals 74. Hence, Y squared is equal to 74. Now, let's turn our attention to triangle DAB. Since each interior angle of a rectangle is a right angle, it follows that triangle DAB is also a right triangle. Again, using the Pythagorean theorem, we have DB squared is equal to DA squared, plus AB squared. DB is Y. DA is 8. And AB is X. Substituting the known values, will give us Y squared is equal to 8 squared, plus X squared. Since we already calculated Y squared as 74. Calculating 8 squared gives us 64. It follows that 74 equals 64 plus X squared. Rearranging this will give us X squared equal to 74 minus 64. And this will give us X squared is equal to 10. Taking the square root of both sides, will give us X is equal to the square root of 10. Now that we know the value of X, which is the breadth of the rectangle, let's find the area. Recall that the area of a rectangle is given by the formula length times breadth. Hence, the area of rectangle ABCD is 8 times the square root of 10, which is equal to 8 root 10 square units. And there you have it. The area of rectangle ABCD is 8 root 10 square units. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more geometric videos. See you in the next video.